Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Here we're going to talk about the implication of the court ruling in which the High Court in Abuja stopped the PDP, the People's Democratic Party Governors Forum, the National Working Committee of the PDP, the National Executive Committee of the PDP, the Board of Trustees of the PDP, or any organ of PDP from dissolving the Nyesom Wike constituted People's Democratic Party State Executive. That's what we're going to talk about, the implication of that. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, the Rivers State Executive of the People's Democratic Party, loyal to the former governor of the state and now minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nyesom Wike, has gone to court to stop the PDP Governors Forum, the National Working Committee of the party, the National Executive of the party, the Board of Trustees of the party, or any other organ of that party from dissolving the Nyesom Wike State Executive. If you recall, during the state congresses of the People's Democratic Party that was held across the country recently, Governor Simi Fubara of Rivers State, who ought to be the leader of the PDP in Rivers State, and his supporters stayed away from the state congresses. Now, that state congresses eventually took place, and those that attended were mostly Nyesom Wike and his supporters. And Nyesom Wike was able to put in place, with those who attended that Congress, a state executive of Rivers State, PDP. This matter became an issue when the PDP Governors Forum met again recently in Bauchi under the chairmanship of the governor of Bauchi State, Bala Mohammed. After their meeting, they insisted that PDP, the leader of PDP Rivers State, is Simi Fubara, the governor, as in line with the tradition of the party, and not any other person. In other words, hinting that it was not Nyesom Wike that is the leader of the PDP, and that everything will be done to ensure that Fubara is in charge of the party in the state. But that was also coming after the meeting of the National Working Committee of the party that also approved the Rivers Congress. Because after the congresses across the country, the PDP National Working Committee met to look at the congresses that were held across the country. And the Rivers State was approved. By that approval, it means that Nyesom Wike has a firm grip of PDP in Rivers State. But PDP governors began to protest that action of the National Working Committee, demanding that that decision be reversed, especially in case of Rivers State. Don't forget that the National Working Committee of the PDP, they rejected some states. They invalidated some state congresses because of one issue or the other. But despite the protestations of Rivers State PDP that are loyal to Fubara, National Working Committee of the PDP approved the Nyesom Wike held Congress. Like I said, this did not go down well with the governors. So the governors, the Board of Trustees, and some other chieftains of the party were making moves to dissolve the Rivers State executive that is loyal to Nyesom Wike, but disloyal to Fubara, the leader of the party, supposedly in Rivers State. So hinting that there are plans to dissolve that executive in Rivers State, the PDP in Rivers State, loyal to Nyesom Wike, rushed to the court in Abuja. And the court has granted them protection. They say that they had information that they want to dissolve them, and that the court should provide protection for them. Because what they say their dissolution will be an infringement of their fundamental right, human rights, and all that. The court agree with them. But don't forget, this same court, this same Nigerian court, when the North Central, some group in North Central went to court in the APC to stop Ganduje from parading himself as the national chairman of APC, that is, he ought to step aside for somebody from North Central to emerge as the national chairman of APC. A high court in Abuja ruled that they cannot remove Ganduje. The reason of the court was that was an internal affairs of the party. That was the internal affairs of the party. In fact, the court told the petitioners from North Central that they have not even exhausted the internal mechanism to resolve the matter before coming to the court. Courts delivered that it was changing of leadership like that is purely an internal affairs of political parties. But another court has now interfered in that of the PDP, saying that PDP has been stopped. All these organs of the PDP have been stopped from dissolving the Rivers executive, loyal to Nyesom Wike. Now, it shows the inconsistency of the Nigerian court. And while the judiciary is no longer the last hope of the common man, it also shows that the court is being used to really undermine our democracy. The court ought to have allowed PDP to handle the matter of Rivers State executive as it deems fit, in line with its constitution. The court refused to do in Rivers what it did for Ganduje. Now, what are the implications of this? The implications of this is that the Rivers State PDP is still in the hands of Nyesom Wike. And the national body, the PDP National Working Committee, and the National Executive Committee of the PDP have also displayed their incompetence in being able to assert itself. Because if they had dealt with this Nyesom Wike saga right from time, it wouldn't have gotten to this level where Nyesom Wike has become all and all in the party. In any case, how did they get to know how did the Pro-Nyesom Wike group become aware that they are planning to dissolve them? who would have given them this the information? It is the same people who are in the NWC, National Working Committee of the PDP, or the National Executive Committee of the PDP, that would go and reveal the information. So the PDP has shown itself to be incompetent in so many levels. That's why they have failed to provide opposition platform, really, against the APC administration. All you have to see just low-ranging opposition. Atiku Abubakar will issue a press statement, but you hardly see PDP talk. And when they talk tongue-in-cheek. And that is why you can see that ahead of the Rivers State local government election, Simi Fubara, who ought to be the leader of the party, of the PDP in Rivers State, is said to have allowed his supporters to go and contest that election under the APP, or Action People's Party, because PDP is almost rudderless right now. All thanks to the incompetence and betrayal of the constitution of the party and the ideals of the party that was enshrined by the founding fathers of the party, by the present leadership that had allowed Nyesom Wike to undermine the party before the 2023 election and after the 2023 election. So Nyesom Wike has hit PDP below the belt. And from what I have seen now from this court judgment, he is likely to get more favorable court judgment in the days ahead. So PDP cannot dissolve them. In other words, it means that coming October election in Rivers State, the PDP that is loyal to Fubara cannot contest under that election. Little wonder that Fubara is relying on the APP to be able to establish a structure in that state different from the PDP structure that the PDP Governors Forum believe that that rightly belongs to Fubara to be in charge of. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.